Hey guys, just want to do kind of a quick unboxing today. My new Air Jordan Pine Green 2020 mids came in the mail. I wanted the highs, but they sold out in about 1 second. So I didn't get them. My size fit anyways. Pretty happy to see the mids were available online. They have a pair of other Pine Green mids. So I'll figure to get these ones too. Alright. Nice. So, only comes with the black laces. The leather is lightly tumbled. See the Air Jordan, it's red. It's also red. Now the highs, this is actually a leather piece that's sewed on. No extra laces, as I said. This swoosh is, it's got almost a sheen to it. Paid $115, but didn't actually pay $115. I used a student discount. Those are easy to get. I am actually a graduate student, so I was able to use that discount code.